In this video, we're going to explore the bustling nightlife and the colorful city life of Phnom Penh night market.
This is the breakfast that we have. We've got fruits and we get some sweet right here, and there's more. Like we have the rice, yes, some meat and vegetables. And they have this pasta, they got bread, they got some things right here, they got eggs and noodles right there, and then the drinks is right here. So you get the tea, you've got coffee, you got juice. Hi, good morning. So they also have this. This is pretty cool. This is the first dome in the city that you can have a private meeting right here. I can show you. So this is pretty cool. Wow. So you can get in. You can do exclusive things right here. And also this is the view outside. I think they have the drop beer here. And this is the view in the cities. Yeah, it's beautiful. So the breakfast area is right there. I've just done my breakfast. And this is Samba restaurant. Yeah, Samba. Cambodian, I guess. This is the rooftop bar. Also, they have it at the other side. Cambodia is like, it's growing. It's like a lot of renovation, a lot of investor coming, especially Chinese. There's a lot of Chinese here who invest, you know, businesses, which is good for the country. I guess this is gonna be like Singapore. It looks like everything is like trying to make taller building here. Oh, taller building, but it's beautiful. It's the Cambodia is getting more upgraded and getting busier and improving. So yeah, I'm curious about what's gonna be like after in a year, let's say year, 2 years from now. Maybe this is gonna be like, yeah, Singapore or, you know, China version, smaller version. But I mean, you know, they're pretty close to each other, so I think. And also Cambodia is still cheap in terms of investing and cost of living, so I guess they choose to. Oh, there's a pool. Oh guys, we have to go to the pool. I'm gonna show you the pool. I just said a pool. Oh, okay, anyway, so this is the pool. Also here, this is the pool. I found a pool. I'm gonna show you. Guys, I ended up here at the Mall of Eon because it's raining so hard. It's been a couple of days now that it's raining here in Phnom Penh, Cambodia. So I couldn't explore or see some sight because it sucks because it's raining. So, but now I'm gonna show you their mall. We're gonna walk around. So I'm also very, very hungry. I need food. So fun. This is good. So guys, I'm done. Like I'm done eating and I'm so full. The chicken is really good, but the soup was okay. But my first time to eat the chicken here in Cambodia, I think that's they're one of the they're the main food right here. The chicken, the main food right here in Cambodia. But the chicken is really really good. I'm so surprised that it's really really good. And now I'm done, so I'm going to look around here at their mall. They also have some, branded items here that you can check. This is closer to where I live, so it's easy for me to just walk and, explore. So the mall here is pretty, simple. It's the same in Philippines. So you get these electronics in the other area, you get a food court down there, and you've got all the clothing right here. It's like the same setup in Philippines, but this is kind of nice. I like it, the style of this one right here is pretty nice. Yeah, but this is huge. Hopefully the rain will stop, or maybe the rain already stopped. I don't know yet. Let's see, look around. Hi. I'm here at the grocery store, and there's a lot of fruits right here that I found it in Philippines, in Thailand, but I think they have this. It looks very, 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 very interesting. So they have this color things right here. I don't know what color inside of this dragon fruit, but this is my first time to see a yellow dragon fruit here in Cambodia. But aside of that, they have this one, which is it's common in Asia. And of course, this one you can find it in Indonesia, but not Thailand. I haven't seen this in Thailand. Maybe they have the other one, the smaller one. Anyway, I'm gonna look it up some fruits that I need for later on tonight, because I already have my dinner, slash brunch and dinner. So now I'm kinda wanting to eat some strawberries. Oh my god, strawberries here are everywhere. It's heaven. We can find this in Philippines, but then it's very, very expensive. Here, for blueberries, it's $3. We're gonna head to the market where we can find a lot of exotic and street food. And also we're gonna pass the Royal Palace and then the Mekong River. So I'm gonna show you some of the clips right there. Of course, we're gonna do a lot of stuff tonight. It's 6 p.m. now, and earlier it was raining so hard, so I have to stop at the mall and take time over there. So guys, I'm here now at the wet market, and I'm gonna eat something. I'm so excited to find a food, but it looks like there's all woo. I'm excited. I couldn't find the food. Okay, I want something. I want to try something. Oh, no. Okay, this is interesting. So guys, there's no food.
So it's funny because I didn't
I wanna
find
eat
any
something.
food because this is mostly for uncooked,
no food right
vegetables
now.
and meat. So I decided to go to the Phnom Penh market. But I also
So I
passed
was
by
asking if
these
what was
street
this
food
because
right
then no
here.
one knows what's the name of this, but it looks like a bird. So I assume that it's gonna be the little bird. Okay, so I want to try something. I want to try this one, but I don't know what's in it. Maybe it's a frog. I really don't know. But yeah. Anyway, I'll be back because it looks like a bird. Guys, I'm here now at the night market here in Phnom Penh. We're also gonna find a better spot to eat and try their street food. I was still gonna look around. I wanna find something interesting and have it tried before. Also, this is a closer night market where I stay before. This is pretty, nice. You've got a lot of clothing, which is local and mixed clothing right here. And also, of course, the street food. The food here, it's kind of almost the same. Like everyone displaying the same thing. So this is also pretty interesting because they have this, a mat right here where you can sit if you want. So right over there. But then the product here or the food here kind of almost the same. Look. So guys, I'm going to try. I ordered already. I'm gonna show you what I ordered earlier. But this is all the food that they have right now. It's kind of almost the same, but still, I can try. I don't know what's the name of these, but I will. Like the chicken looks good too, but I already ate chicken. Anyway, we'll try to find something else. So guys, this is my order. This is it kind of mix of a lot of vegetables, same in Thailand, and it tastes fishy. So if you don't like a fishy, taste, I don't recommend to try this because this is mixed with the tiny fish and the seafood. This one crabs. So yes, I prefer the Thai salad though. This one. Mm. Mm. So I'm going to try a passion fruit juice because I'm thirsty. Like I was eating the spicy salad. Anyway, I needed to cool myself right now. It's really, really hot. And I'm gonna walk around later on. Then probably, I'm so full right now. But then I still want to try something else. Ooh, it's here. Ooh, that one. I can't see. Anyway. This is my favorite juice since I arrived here. I think I finished 4 of these and it's really, really good. This is my all-time favorite. Let's try to walk around at their shop right here. I'm so full. They have a lot of shops right here. So they have these. I don't think this is real, but this is fake for sure. And there's more right there. The market is not that big, but there's a lot of clothing here you can buy. As I think it's cheap because there's a lot of people who's always buying clothes. They get everything. I don't know, but it's trendy here to buy outfit for sleeping outfit. I don't know, sleeping attire. So it's very, very common here. Market is right there, the Phnom Penh market, which is a pretty nice market. You can buy a lot of stuff if you want, accessory, and also you can try the street food. I tried one, and also I got this one, but there's not much to try on because they have almost the same street food right here. Aside that market that I went to, but they're closed right now because it's we got the exotic food. They have cockroaches. They got scorpion that I really want to try and check, but I don't know if I'm gonna try it. But it looks really, really interesting to try. But now I'm here at the Mekong River. I'm gonna show you the life here. That's the river. Cheers. Also, this is the park volleyball at the same time that a lot of locals spend time here to enjoy the day, and also a picnic here at the plaza just in front of the river. This is like one of the go-to place to eat street food, some street food. It's so fun. Guys, I saw a couple. They're local. Anyway, I saw a couple. They're kissing and like they're like smacking. It's very, very loud. So she said that it's $5 an hour. So maybe it's unlimited food if you want to join this. The girl just told me $5 1 hour. There's a lot of people right now, every night. My arms is really hurt right now. I want to get closer to the Royal Park. Oh, 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 oh.